Halo semua. Hari ini si bule kembali menjelajah Jakarta. Kali ini mereka naik MRT menuju Skywalk. Yuk ikuti keseruan perjalanannya.
We love London though, don't get me wrong. This is a vibe, I can't get over it. Chilling. It was definitely the first stop because it's busy now. Well, I would say.
Sesampainya di dalam MRT, si bule masih bengong melihat suasana yang begitu mempesona. Warna interior yang cerah bikin mereka kagum. Sampai-sampai si bule spontan bilang, "Wow."
And it tells you where you're at as well. Gives you a little arrow when the next stop is.
And the announcements are in Bahasa Indonesia and English.
Yeah.
So it says it in Bahasa and then it says it in English as well. So we're 2 stops away now, but it's so easy to navigate.
Si bule juga makin kagum saat menyadari semua petunjuk di dalam MRT tersedia dalam 2 bahasa, Indonesia dan Inggris. Hal itu membuat perjalanan terasa ramah bagi siapa saja, termasuk wisatawan mancanegara.
There we are.
Oh, where do we go?
Ooh, this way, I guess.
That way. And upstairs we go.
Yeah, looks like follow the crowd.
Yeah, when in doubt, follow the crowd.
Elevator up.
Setelah menempuh perjalanan singkat, si bule akhirnya tiba di tujuan. Begitu pintu terbuka dan mereka melangkah keluar dari kereta, pasangan suami istri itu kembali dibuat terkesima. Setiap detail di stasiun terasa rapi dan modern, membuat keduanya terus terpukau.
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Can't see. Oh, are you okay?
Yeah, I think it didn't do your one.
It did.
Yeah, okay.
It did too? Did it scan too? Oh, it is?
Ah.
Okay. Makasih.
I saw an X on it, that's what. They don't matter.
Are you sure?
I mean, I saw X come up on one of the little tickets.
Oh.
It's
I
fine.
think
Sesampainya di area selanjutnya, si bule memperlihatkan barcode sebelum melangkah keluar. Prosesnya cepat dan praktis, membuat mereka semakin antusias. Dari situ, pasangan itu langsung mengarah ke Skywalk yang sudah menanti dengan pemandangan menakjubkan.
Which is mad because Jakarta must just be absolutely enormous. We're going up now. Going out, going out. We're just trying to work out how we're going to get there. We may have to take a grab to our destination after the metro. But that's okay, you know?
Figure it out, man.
Setelah melewati eskalator, langkah mereka berlanjut keluar dari stasiun. Udara Jakarta langsung menyambut, dan pasangan bule itu terlihat makin bersemangat melanjutkan perjalanan.
This is a little bit like Macau. Well, there's massive skyscrapers everywhere. You would not think that this is Indonesia.
Crazy.
Bonkers.
Oh, I see a camera shop. I mean, low key, with an SD card.
That is true. That is true.
Maybe a cheeky little detour. Maybe.
Cool. So we have been...
Begitu berada di luar, mata mereka langsung tertuju pada jalan raya yang ramai. Pemandangan kota dengan lalu lintas teratur membuat si bule tampak terpesona, bahkan terlihat jelas betapa senangnya mereka menikmati suasana tersebut.
Speechless. This is insane.
It's insane. Oh, there's floodlights over here. I wonder if that's a sporting ground.
And I think it's a. What is that?
Oh, hold on.
Hold on, let's get an
Get
advantage,
a vantage point, yeah. We're like peeking over. Is that? No, it's not a basketball court. I would have been
that?
so excited. What is it? A football ground, maybe?
Nah,
Perjalanan mereka berlanjut menapaki trotoar kota. Pasangan bule itu tanpa penuh rasa ingin tahu, melangkah mantap menuju Skywalk yang sudah jadi tujuan utamanya.
Wow. Okay, well, I guess. Is this Skywalk? Yeah? Okay, perfect. Upstairs. Makes sense, Skywalk. Oh, wow.
literally cool.
The aircon is airconning.
This is a lot going on.
There's a doggo in a nappy again.
Setelah menelusuri jalan, mereka akhirnya tiba di area gedung yang menjadi akses menuju Skywalk. Dari wajahnya terlihat rasa penasaran semakin besar, seakan tak sabar ingin segera melihat pemandangan dari atas.
They're still cute. There might be a bit of unlicensed music here, so maybe...
Langkah demi langkah terus mereka ayunkan, menyusuri koridor menuju Skywalk. Raut muka pasangan bule itu jelas memperlihatkan kekaguman mendalam. Setiap sudut terasa memberi kejutan baru yang membuat mereka tak henti-hentinya terpesona.
Auntie Anne's, wow! They have a lot of different things in here. We're literally just going up the escalator one at a time because we believe the skywalk is at the top.
Oh, what is that?
What is going on here?
Oh, look at
this.
adventure playground thing. That's lit.
Setelah menaiki eskalator, pandangan mereka langsung tertuju pada area di atas yang dipenuhi beragam permainan anak. Suasana ceria dari tawa si kecil menambah semarak perjalanan, membuat pasangan bule itu semakin takjub dengan sisi lain kota Jakarta.
Sinopolis! Wow! Yeah, they really have everything here. This is so impressive. I can't get over that. I think we have to keep going up, no?
Yeah, keep going up.
Should we go as big adults, be big kids? I actually would do that as well. We have done that, in fact.
Di dalam ruangan itu, keduanya tampak semakin terkagum. Setiap sudut menghadirkan nuansa berbeda, dengan desain yang tertata rapi dan suasana nyaman. Pasangan bule itu pun terus mengamati sekeliling dengan penuh rasa ingin tahu.
Maybe the last up, if you can see. So, maybe this is going to be the skywalk. I think so. I can see it behind us. This is so surprising. This is amazing.
For the skywalk?
Hello.
Perjalanan mereka berlanjut dengan menaiki eskalator berikutnya. Sesampainya di atas, tampak seorang petugas keamanan menyambut dengan ramah. Dari sana terlihat jelas akses menuju Skywalk, hanya tinggal satu tahapan lagi sebelum akhirnya mencapai puncak tujuan.
Spend 100,000 in the mall.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah.
Cool. Okay. So you don't buy tickets, you pay
And then show you the receipt.
and then show you the receipt of the shopping. Okay.
Perfect.
Well, that's an excuse to eat some sweets.
Auntie Anne's.
Oh. Okay. Cool. We'll do that and come back. Okay.
Let's do it.
If they had a
Setelah berbincang dengan petugas, pasangan bule itu baru mengetahui jika untuk menikmati Skywalk dikenakan biaya Rp100.000. Mereka pun memilih menunda sejenak dan akhirnya memutuskan turun kembali untuk mencari makanan ringan di bawah.
Oh yeah, you excited? Got a rotio over there as well.
Oh, shit.
You getting a pretzel?
If you want a pretzel, but I don't know. Hello.
Hello. Original cinnamon sugar pretzel.
I know. I used to get like an almond one back in the days. It was
Almond
fire.
choco cream cheese. Caramel almond pretzel.
Fire.
What are
Oh,
you going for?
Turun ke area kuliner, pasangan bule itu akhirnya memilih camilan untuk mengisi perut. Suasana hangat dan ramai membuat momen semakin seru. Petualangan mereka di Skywalk belum berakhir, dan kisah ini akan berlanjut di part 3. Serunya perjalanan belum berhenti sampai di sini. Masih banyak keseruan yang akan mereka tunjukkan di part 3. Jadi, jangan lupa tekan tombol like, subscribe, dan bunyikan loncengnya, supaya nggak ketinggalan cerita berikutnya.